Today, I'm going to show you how to put together a Sensi low back task chair.
Let's get started. If you just opened the box and all these parts look a little confusing, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through it step by step, nice and simple, so you can get this chair assembled without frustration. Before we start, lay everything out on the floor. You should have a chair seat, the 5-star base, the mesh back, the plate seat, the wheels, the gas lift cylinder, the arms. Get familiar with which arm is left and which arm is right, screws, and the Allen wrench. Allen wrench is the only tool you need. Step 1. Install the wheels. Grab your 5-star base and the casters. Take each wheel and push it firmly into the bottom of each leg. You may need to press hard until it clicks or sits all the way in. We're going to do this for all 5 wheels and then go to Step 2. Install the gas lift. Now take the gas lift cylinder and place it right into the center hole of the base. You don't need screws here. It simply slides in and locks into place once the weight is applied. Now turn the seat cushion upside down. Step 3. Attach the seat plate. Turn the seat cushion upside down. Look for the front label or arrow on the seat plate. Make sure the front of the plate faces the front edge of the seat. This matters because the height lever and tilt controls need to be positioned correctly. Line up the holes. Start each screw by hand and only tighten them halfway at first. Once all screws are started and lined up, go back and tighten them securely with the Allen wrench. Here's a tip: don't fully tighten every screw right away. Get everything lined up first, then tighten it down at the end. Step 4. Now let's put together each one of the chair arms. We'll start with this one. Each arm uses 3 screws. Make sure the left arm goes on the left side and the right arm goes on the right side. The arm should curve naturally toward the front of the chair. Line up the arm with the holes on the back seat and back area. To make things easier for you, the manufacturer created 3 pre-drilled holes on each side of the chair for the arms. You can do it, just take your time and place each one on the correct side. Start all screws loosely first, then tighten them down once everything is aligned. If your chair seems a little uneven at this stage, don't panic. That's why we waited to fully tighten everything until the parts were properly lined up. Quick tip: you may have to lean the seat cushion and the arms in order to connect them in perfect alignment. Otherwise, the screws will not go into the holes the way you want them to. Once they're in place, use the Allen wrench to tighten the arms to the seat cushion. You'll have to do this 3 times on each arm. Step 5. Attach the chair back. Next, we're attaching the mesh back to the seat. Line up the back support bracket with the holes underneath or behind the seat cushion. Start the screws by hand first. Don't force them. If a screw feels crooked, back it out and restart it. That helps prevent stripping. Once everything is lined up, tighten the screws evenly. This is important because the back needs to sit straight and secure. Here's a tip: ensure that the wrench is fully placed inside of the screw head before you turn it so that it will not slip or strip. If you happen to strip one of your screws, the manufacturer has provided an extra part to help you out. This kind of thoughtfulness on their part should ease some of your fear and anxiety while doing this project. Step 6. Connect seat to base. Now comes the easy part. Carefully lift the assembled seat and line up the hole in the seat plate with the top of the gas lift cylinder. Lower the seat straight down onto the cylinder. Once it's sitting in place, apply a little weight by sitting carefully in the chair. That pressure helps lock the chair into the cylinder. Step 7. Final tightening check. Before we call it done or flip or tilt the chair carefully, check every screw one more time. Make sure the back is tight, the arms are secure, and the seat plate is firmly attached. Don't over tighten to the point of damaging the threads, but make sure nothing is loose or wobbly. This chair has seat height adjustment and lumbar support. The product listing also notes that it swivels and rolls. We did it! This has been a 5-minute handyman DIY fix. We put together a Sensi low back task chair. If you want to see more DIY home improvement projects like this one, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share with your family and friends. And remember, you can DIY too. We'll see you in the next video.